Hey everyone, today we are diving into AWS Code Commit. It's managed source control service for Git repositories, which basically means it helps you store your code securely without the hassle of managing servers. Let's see what makes it cool. So, what exactly is AWS Code Commit? It's a fully managed service by AWS that hosts Git repositories. You get all the usual Git functionalities, but with the added perks of AWS integration, scalability, and reliability. Perfect for teams looking for a secure place to host their code. Why should you consider using it? First off, no server headaches. AWS handles all the scaling, updates, and maintenance. Your data stays safe with encryption, whether it's at rest or in transit. Plus, it's designed to scale with your project no matter how big or small and offers high availability thanks to AWS robust infrastructure. Let's talk features. Security is a big deal here. Your data is encrypted and you have fine-grained access control with IAM. Collaboration is smooth with pull requests and notifications for any repository event. It's well integrated with other AWS developer tools, making your workflow seamless. And of course, it's reliable with automatic scaling and global availability. Now, the architecture. The main components are your repositories, branches, commits, and pull requests. It integrates smoothly with AWS services like Code Pipeline for continuous integration and delivery, Amazon SNS for notifications, and IAM for secure access management. Alright, here's how it works. First, AWS Code Pipeline manages the workflow. We push our code to AWS Code Commit, which stores it securely. Then, AWS Code Build compiles and tests the code to ensure everything is good. After that, AWS CloudFormation deploys the setup using stack sites across multiple accounts. This process ensures consistency and saves time. It's a smooth, automated way to handle deployments. AWS Code Commit shines in a few specific scenarios. It's great for private source control, especially for businesses that need extra security. It integrates well with the DevOps practices, allowing for smooth CI/CD pipeline workflows. Plus, it's fantastic for teams working together with multiple contributions and branching strategies, especially if your project uses AWS services extensively. Security is a top priority here. Your data is encrypted using AWS KMS. KMS stands for Key Management Service, and all communications are secured with SSL. Access control is managed through AWS IAM, so you can set precise permissions. Plus, with AWS Cloud Drive, you have detailed logs of API calls for monitoring and compliance. Let's quickly compare AWS Code Commit, GitHub, and GitLab based on a few features. For hosting, AWS Code Commit is AWS managed, while GitHub is cloud based, and GitLab offers both cloud and on premises options. When it comes to integration, Code Commit works smoothly with AWS services. GitHub integrates well with third-party tools, and GitLab has CI/CD built-in, making it very handy. Looking at the free tier, Code Commit gives a free tier for up to 5 users. GitHub offers free public repositories, and GitLab also has a free options but with limited users. Finally, for security, Code Commit provides AWS grade security. GitHub relies on community-driven security, and GitLab offers customizable security options. So, depending on your needs, each platform has its strengths. Initial learning curve. Setting up AWS Code Commit can be tricky if you are not familiar with AWS. It might take some time to get the hang of it. Limited community tools. AWS Code Commit has fewer third-party integrations and tools compared to popular platforms like GitHub, making it a bit more challenging for collaboration. Pricing for larger teams. As your team grows, the cost per using code commit can increase, especially with many active users. which could affect your budget. Integration with other AWS services. Okay. It plays well with other AWS services like code pipeline, code build, and code deploy, automating your release process, building and test applications, and deploying across environments. Amazon SNS keeps you updated with notifications for repository events. So, to wrap up, AWS Code Commit is a secure, scalable options for hosting Git-based repositories. It's best suited for projects that are already in the AWS ecosystem and looking to cut down on operational overhead while enhancing collaboration. And that's it. Thank you.